Hello neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and today we are making a Greek salad. And then there's another quick recipe that will come together fast. I have a container of grape tomatoes. I'm going to cut on an angle because I like the look of them when I cut them on an angle. So I'm going to do that to that package, and then I'm going to wash them. Red bell pepper that I want to use, so I cut them into chunks. And I'm going to do the same to my green bell pepper and cut those into chunks. I kind of like putting them on an angle as well because I like the look of them. I like doing that for my stir fries and that too. I just think it looks pretty. Looks pretty, I tell you. And I'm going to wash that. So yeah, just basically doing that. And then, so it's not gonna take me long. Just hang in there, hang in there. I'm getting her done. So I have 2 cucumbers. So yeah, 2 different ways that I do peel these. So I make these stripes, just for visual. Another way, get the ends off. They kind of give these little, I don't think the camera's picking it up, these little ridges. I have a red onion. I'm going to slice it. Peel it first. Peel it first there, Jerry. Okay, neighbors, everything has been nicely washed. Put it in here just because I think that you'll see it a lot better. Put in some olive, can't speak. Kalamata olives, still can't speak. I'm also going to put in some green olives. So I use like a cup worth of those. And I'm going to use like a half a cup of the green pitted olives. Now, doesn't that look good? And it's not even done yet. I always buy the blocks and not the stuff that's already crumbled, because stuff that's already crumbled, I find the salt penetrates through it way too much for my liking anyway. But you do you. I mean, use less, more. That's up to you as well. I'll probably dress up. After I mix it, I'll put more feta on the top. I have a half a cup of olive oil, cold pressed olive oil, putting like 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, a half a tablespoon of dried Greek oregano. I'm going to put a pinch of thyme, it's ground thyme, just not too much, maybe another 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar. Oh, I'm going to put some squeeze of lemon in there if we have some. We go through lemon quite a bit in our house. And I think I have a lime, so I'm going to just use that. A few teaspoons. Yeah, give it a good shake. And I hope everyone's doing well. We're doing pretty good over at our end. Now, we may even make another bit of this dressing. I like to marinate it in the dressing in the refrigerator for a bit. Then give it a toss. Well, I'll give it a toss now. Let's just pretend here that it's been in there. And then if you want to make some more dressing, it's very good, but do it to taste after you let it sit for a bit. This Greek salad, it's a winner every time. We love it. We love it. Give it a tasty poo, because that's what I like to do. How quick is that? Oh. That's it in a nutshell. Quick and easy. Delicious. Peace, love, God bless. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate the time that you're giving me. And take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.